with the purchase of your workshop, you're going to get what's called the Couples 7 Principles Kit. And what that includes is several very exciting things. One of them being the 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work workbook. This is something that's very interactive that you're going to be using throughout the workshop with your partner. It has a host of different things like scripts, it has different activities, it has writing and reflection prompts. For instance, one that you can note in here is talking about fondness and admiration, and that's basically how well do you actually like your partner. And so in this prompt right here, it says, what feelings and memories do you have of your partner early in your relationship? And you take time to fill this out to really work on that fondness piece in your relationship. Another thing that you're going to get in the workbook set for couples is the 7 Principles of Making Marriage Work book by John Gottman and Nan Silver. I love this. This was my first Gottman book that I read. This is a New York Times bestseller, and the name itself, Marriage, this book isn't just for married folks. It's for anyone who's in a committed relationship. They just, in order to keep that, gold star of New York Times bestseller, they needed to keep the title the same. But this book is also great because, again, not just yawn super boring. There are lots of, oops, you probably can't hear me very well. There's lots of questionnaires you can do as you read through this book to really get to know, like, where, for instance, know which horsemen you use most frequently or which horsemen your partner might use and how to really combat that, which helps with conflict management. The last thing that you're gonna, not last thing, but another thing you're gonna get in your couples workbook set is the card decks. I love these. I sometimes work from my phone with them because in order to make them accessible, the Gottman Institute created an app. I just go on my Play Store and look up Gottman Card Deck app, and they made their card decks virtual, but I like the hand ones. So you're gonna get a couple of them, one of them being open-ended questions, and this is supposed to help you enhance your friendship system with your partner by just having conversation, asking questions to really get to know intimately your partner's inner world. And so, for instance, some of the questions on these cards might sound like, how do you see your work changing in the future? So one partner might ask the other one that, and then they respond, and then the next partner picks the next card and says, what adventures would you like to have before you die? And this is one of the exercises that we will be doing in the workshop. It's just pretty fun. It's nice to just spend time being friends with your partner. There's a lot of benefits to enhancing a friendship system, and we know that couples who have strong friendship systems typically have milder conflict, they have less frequent conflict, they're able to bounce back from conflict a lot easier.